Alright, so today we're going to set up a custom domain and Skycloak for one of our Keycloak clusters. So you will be able to do the same. Alright, so the first thing is you need, of course, a Keycloak cluster. Once you create one, you'll notice that when you access the dashboard, you have a specific domain that is set up for you. So it's usually a uid.thelocation.skycloak.io. Okay, so in this case, I do not want this. I want something more specific to my branding so that the users trust the login page. So what I'm going to do is select the cluster first. Secondly, go to the domain page, add domain, and then put the name of your domain. And this one, I'll call it auth.ca.try.skycloak.io. And then I will do add domain. Just have to wait while it's creating. So we will give an instruction of the value of the CNAME and what is the CNAME you have to set up. If it's not you, provide it to whoever is in charge of your registrar. So there you go. It's basically, in this case, we usually highlight what's in front of the main domain. So you know that in some registrar you only need this, but on others you have to set up the full information so it works properly. But so yeah, in this case I'll just copy the name here and the value, and I'll set it up on the registrar, and I'll be right back so we can set up the next step. Alright, so I've already set up the registrar. This name is set to this value. So what I'll do now is just do verify. With the verification, if it doesn't work on the first step, maybe it will say we're generating SSL. Just wait another minute and try again. And if it doesn't work, just keep trying until you get the domain validated. It may take between 1 to 15 minutes, but if it takes longer than that, just reach out to us. Maybe there's an error in the CNAME or something else that is making it take longer. So I'm gonna do verify and see what's happening. Boom, okay. In this instance, it was pretty quick. So after a minute, it got resolved. So now if I click visit domain, I can access the Keycloak cluster through that specific domain. And even more than that, let's say, I'm just going to refresh the page. Let's say now that you want to point this particular domain to a specific realm in that cluster. You can also do that so that you can have hundreds of domain if you want mapped to your 100 realms. So we can do this. You just do add realm mapping, select the domain, select the realm. I have a lot of junk here, but whatever. Let's say it's new app, and I do create mapping. So what's going to happen is when I go to that domain, it's going to redirect me to that particular realm. So if I do this, boom, you see, it brings to the account. This is the account page for that particular realm. We didn't see what I did for the branding, but you can assume I'm not lying. So this realm now is mapped with the domain we just created. So you can do that with more domains. You can create another domain and then map it to another realm, or you can leave the domain for the whole cluster. It's up to you. All right, so this was how you set up your custom domain and Skycloak. You can map it to your Keycloak cluster to bring more trust to the users that is coming to your branded website. All right, so I hope you like it. If you don't, well, that's too bad.